Want to master SQL without getting lost in complicated jargon? Most people struggle to understand how to combine data across tables. See how SQL is used in everyday business scenarios. Discover workplace tips that make SQL more intuitive. Gain confidence with hands-on exercises and practical applications. SQL isn't just for techies, it's for anyone looking to enhance their data skills. Our channel shows you how SQL can be a game changer in your career. Ready to transform your SQL skills? Click the link and subscribe to our channel. Begin your journey to becoming an SQL pro with us today. By joining us, you'll unlock the power of data analysis and open doors to new opportunities. Let's embark on this learning adventure together. Subscribe now and start mastering SQL.